Hi Abhishek, welcome to this feedback interview session. How are you doing today?
Hi, sir. Good evening. I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, Mr. Abhishek has recently got an opportunity with Wipro as a network engineer. Earlier, he was working with Tata Communication Limited. Now he has joined the organization Wipro. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about his training experience with I-MEDITA, for which program he enrolled earlier, and his experience during the training program, what kind of experiences he had with I-MEDITA, how he faced interviews recently, and what kind of approach he took to prepare for the new interviews and uh, experiences towards the interviews as well. So, hi Abhishek, welcome again, and let's get started.
Hi,
So
sir.
Abhishek, can you please tell us little bit about yourself? आपका background क्या रहा है अभी तक? कितने years का आपको experience हो गया? थोड़ा आप अपने background के बारे में can you help us understand?
Yes, so after completing my graduation, I took a class in I-MEDITA and completed the multi-track courses. After that, I got placed in TCL as a network engineer. And TCL, I worked almost 2.5 years. That recently, I just placed in Wipro as a network engineer. And my recent work is to handle the like US client, which is, I work in the project known as Comcast project. So, yes, working in Wipro as a network engineer right now.
Great. So what kind of growth you have got if we compare TCL and Wipro now?
I got almost more than 70% hike from previous company.
Okay, great. And you enrolled for multi-track program 2 years back, right?
Yes, sir.
And
21 batch.
after your multi-track program, you got opportunity with Tata Communications Limited, TCL, and now after 2 years, you have joined Wipro, right?
Yes.
So now, when you joined this Wipro, did you got required support from our team for the interviews and placements?
Yes, sir. Every time. In fact, the support team always help us regarding whenever I need like support. They always help us. They provide a video, recorded videos, and even when I call trainer to help, they always pick my call and support us whenever I need. They support us, and apart from this, they always help us to guidance me how to prepare resume and what technology I have to read for this job role. So they help me.
Okay. And recently, how many interviews you have given?
I given 2 3 interviews. So like I gave Apple interview and Juniper,
Okay.
but I could not hear that.
So how was your experience during the training and now after 2 years? What is your feedback in terms of training? Recently, also, I think you are doing some revisions and self-learning. So how was your overall experience previously and now as well?
Previously, the experience was towards earlier my trainer was Suvam sir, Eva sir, and they helped me during the courses. And recently, I just took a revision course, and they give me training courses, recorded courses, and this is great. So, and right now, if I need any support, they always help us physically. So the experience was too good, sir. Right now, I'm again enrolled classes,
So as a working
preparing for the
professional,
next.
you are doing revision now and you are also learning some new technologies. So how you are managing your office timing, work-life balance, because you are spending time with self-learning, you are doing some revisions as well, and at the same time you are also doing job. So how you are managing?
Yes, so luckily I got a US shift timing, so mostly start from the evening to midnight. So I have enough time in daytime. So after in noon time, so I took a revision classes, and after that I joined my office in
Okay,
evening.
great. So during the training program previously, did you got all the required study material, lab guides, and other study resources?
Yes, so I get almost everything. Like I get online video access and lab courses, online lab courses and practical. I can do online and physical both. So I got the access for online practical lab and physical both. So the online training video as well.
So based on your experiences which you had in past and right now, how would you rate our services on a scale of 10?
It's out of 10, so no doubt. The amount of support you provided is whatever, whenever, where I am today, it's all because of you. So it's always grateful man today for. So,
I would like to correct here. It's not because of us. It's all your hard work, all your dedication. We are just we work like a catalyst. We provide training, we provide material, we try to provide you a good environment. Now it depends on candidate to candidate how they are utilizing that environment. Okay, many candidates try to utilize that environment effectively, but there are certain set of people they don't understand that this is a valuable time. So sometimes they are not spending
right.
sufficient time for their self-study. So it's all your hard work. We work like a catalyst. We just help you with opportunities. We just try to provide you an environment, effective material, effective trainers, classes, and all other related support. Rest, it's all your hard work. You are getting job based on your hard work, your dedication only. Okay. So but still thank you for your kind words. I would also like to know, since you have 2.5 years of experience, okay. So what you would advise to somebody who is a fresher, because
Yes.
you joined this multi-track job-oriented course as a fresher. You got an opportunity. Now you have 2.5 years of experience. What do you advise to freshers who are planning to kickstart their career into networking? Because as far as I know, when you get into industry, it is very difficult to learn and work simultaneously. So, what advice would you give to somebody who is going to kickstart their career in this domain?
Yes. So if someone want to pursue in networking domain, so they should know the basics about networking first, right? And know about the basics. They should know where to start. Like I-MEDITA is one of them where they can start the basics of networking. Classes we got from basic to advanced level. Everything is available in this classes. So I recommend to join the I-MEDITA classes, know about basics about networking, and apparently you can grow. And there is a multiple domain in networking. So find your interest and choose accordingly. So if someone really want to pursue career in networking, so I definitely recommend to join the I-MEDITA classes. Just come and talk with the trainer. They will guide you everything, whatever you need. They provide you the full guidance, and you will get okay. This is the career which I want to pursue.
Right. And do you
Must
hold
join the
any,
classes.
do you hold any global certifications as well, or you do not have any global certifications as of date?
I have VNX 100, which is a SDN certification for Versa Vendor, and second one is I have Juniper certification, which is JNCA, which is like equivalent to CCNA. So,
Okay, great, great. Do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we might improve our training and services in future?
I don't think so. You already doing a lot of good things, and you always support the candidate. Like the amount of hard work you provide and put us into us, it's really recommendable. So, really want to say thank you for you. I'm here right now.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for your kind words. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming future. Keep learning and keep in touch. If you require any assistance from our side, from our team, let us know. We are just a call away, email away. And again, thank you for your valuable time and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.